Hello viewers, this is an excellent time to be shopping for an ADV under 800cc because in the past 30 days, this is a second motorcycle I've ridden from Japan from that category. Say hello to the Suzuki V-strom 800DE. If I start talking about the styling of the V-strom, I can go on forever because they have taken a departure from the ADV styling that they followed traditionally and given this motorcycle more of a rally raid machine look, and we like it. There's a 17-inch wheel at the rear and a 21-inch unit at the front. The next big thing is the console. It's a color unit, rectangular, LCD, and it gives you all the information you need very crisply and is easy to manage with the switchgear. This motorcycle uses a 776cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine. And after the V-strom SX, this is a second motorcycle that is not true to the V-twin name. But the good news is that the engine uses a 270-degree crankshaft, which gives you a lot of feeling in terms of power delivery, throttle response, and even exhaust note to some extent that resembles a V-twin engine. So do you really miss the V-twin? It's difficult to say, but for what it is, this is an exciting engine to have in a package like this. One of the things I like best about this motorcycle is the variety it offers to the rider. In the sharpest throttle response mode, you have the excitement that you need, the kind of power delivery you're looking for to have fun on a faultless, twisty tarmac. Or if you're a skilled rider, you can even have fun on a place like this where traction is limited. At the other end of the extreme, what you have is a mode that gives you a very gentle throttle delivery, making this motorcycle seem friendly even to a new rider. And that is saying something because this thing weighs 230 kilograms. That being said, adjustability mechanically also is very comforting to have because if you're in the right setup, you can have an extremely good time throwing this motorcycle into corners, or if you set it up in another way, you can have an equally exhilarating time on surfaces like these or even tougher trails. The suspension equipment is managed by Showa, USD fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear. What I like about it is that you can adjust it by hand using this lever over here, which is extremely useful. In terms of the way it's set up, if you can find your right setting like I have right now, you can keep it as soft as you want or stiffer to give you more feedback on the road. Right now I have it in one of the softer settings and it's excellent ride quality. Be it on terrain like this or on the road, comfort is the word I'd use to describe my time on the saddle. That being said, the only other grouse I have with this motorcycle, and this is because I have ridden the other Japanese motorcycle, is refinement. It is not as refined as that one, but it is also not as expensive as the Honda. This motorcycle is available for Rs 10.30 lakh ex-showroom, and it offers a significantly larger amount of kit as well. For example, this one gets an up and down quick shifter that works flawlessly. So for what it's worth, this is also an equally good deal. And what I said about refinement is a very small difference. So you make the call. If you want something that is exciting to ride, is easy to adjust, and can cater to a large spectrum of your demands, then you should go for the Suzuki V-strom. If you want something a little more powerful, then maybe you can look at something else. There it is, folks. That's all from our end for today. If there's something that you want to know that we haven't covered in this particular review, do let us know in the comments and we will get back to you promptly. Also, do note that we have ridden the Transalp as well. So if you have any questions on that front also, please, you know what to do. This is Joshua Varghese signing off for Bike India.